What is the issue? Holism.
Well, holism. And I would like to link it with the correspondence principle. The correspondence principle is a very ancient one, and it generally said, as above, so below. In other words, if you find something is true on the small scale, it's true on the larger scale. You don't have to know about the whole universe to know what's going on here. Now this, well, let me lead into it this way.
No, wait a minute. Let me interrupt there. Because I remember that ancient saying, it was as above, so below.
Is that what I said?
Well, but that's different from what you're suggesting here, which is if I don't have to look at the whole universe, because if I look down here, I will find it. The statement does not say as below, so above.
Well, I read it either way.
Okay. Right.
As I think I'll be able to show you. It's too bad we have got a few more of those cups. Maybe we could find some more cups, but in the absence of cups, I think everyone has played around with a compass, and it's a lot of fun to make a circle and then find that you put exactly 6 other circles around the first circle. They fit exactly. There's no trouble about it. Or you can make a circle and then mark it off with the compass and put the compass on each of those points and get 6 circles surrounding the first. But when you do that, I've always been intrigued by that and wanted to use it as a model for this whole theory. But the circles are just on a flat piece of paper, so I was looking for something that would do that in 3 space in the volume, and it doesn't work because 12 or 13, I think. Around 1, you can place 12.
Right.
So it would be 13, and that didn't work at all. And it was only very recently that I realized that you can take seriously the 6 circles on the surface, because what we're talking about is analysis, and all analysis is on a surface, is superficial. It's distinction on a surface. The analysis is not the same as living through it. The living through it would correspond to the volume, but your picture of it is a surface one. And if I use the word superficial, I'm not in a derogatory sense. Well, once you allow yourself that, then you've got the basis for what you could call a modular mathematics. In other words, every time you make a circle and then enlarge it by 6 more circles, you're back to a circle. Then you enlarge that, or you make bigger circles around that, and that becomes a still bigger circle. This goes on, you might say, forever. Now that works out as an equivalent model to the model of the torus, because there are 7 distinctions. But those 7 distinctions get rolled up into one and become the whole, which in turn becomes part of a larger whole. So the question of holism versus the part, this is, I'd like to say, the only proper way of dividing the whole.